name is Kate, and I am here to tell you about the Pampered Chef November 2022 specials today. Very excited about all these. There's so much going on, and we just got off of our Heritage Month. And so Pampered Chef is 42 years old, and my personal Pampered Chef business this month in November is 2 years old. So I'm very excited to share these with you today, and I hope that you are excited about things in Pampered Chef. So let's jump into it. What are the specials that you can get into with Pampered Chef for November? Well, let me share that with you right now. Our host and guest specials. So hosts in November get any two things out of the catalog when your guest sales reach $650. You can choose one item at 60% off when you get to $200. Now your guests get when they spend $80, they get the caramel latte bread mix, or the slice and serve, or the skinny scraper, or the stainless steel mini whipper. So once they spend $80, which is not hard to do, especially when you're buying Christmas gifts, right? They get one of those four. Plus, they get free shipping when they spend $150. So those are our host and guest offers for November. Now, I don't know if you knew, but in October, we had a $25 Heritage Month kit. And so it's a new consultant launch kit, and you can start for $25. And that is really, really cool to me. The other thing is that you can start for $50 or $100 or $200 or $250 and get all of these cool things too. So you can start with just a kit that will get you your website and a cool team to be on and lots of other cool things that you can get started with now through November 14th for just $25. So if you want to get started, ask me how in the comments or send me a message. If you decide to get started in November or December, you can earn a Deluxe multi-cooker. Now this multi-cooker has 16 settings. You can do quick cooking, you can do slow cooking, you can do sous vide. It has a separate egg setting. It has a custom setting. You can do rice, seafood. You can even make yogurt. Now, you can earn this for free with $1,250 in sales. Now, free and earn, you know how that goes. I'm going to help you get those sales when you join my team. The new consultant link that will be in the description below, and we'll get started right away. We've got holiday deals, gifts for friends and family or yourself. These are $99 sales. So here we are. The carving set. See how cool that is? The carving set is only $99. Our stainless steel nonstick wok is only $99. Oh, the first one, I'm sorry, I didn't say, is our cast iron baker is only $99. And the last one is 11 by 14 cast iron roaster. You can roast a 14-pound turkey in that thing, and it is only $99 this month. Now, hosts, of course, get that. You could get that for 60% off any of those. Here are those specials in order again. Please subscribe to the channel for some PC holiday gifts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.